Hello, today we will learn about the phrase be descended from somebody. This phrase means you have someone as your ancestor. It tells us about family history. For example, if you say, I am descended from a famous artist, it means the artist is your ancestor. We use be descended from in the passive form. Always say be descended from, not just descend from. For example, she is descended from royalty. It is a formal way to talk about family origins. You can use it in stories or when talking about history. Remember, it is inseparable. You cannot say be descended great from. Use it with family members or groups, like immigrants or settlers. Here are some examples. He is descended from a noble family. We are descended from immigrants. Try to use it when talking about your family history. It sounds natural and clear. Avoid mistakes like saying, I descended from. Always say, I'm descended from. Now, try making your own sentences. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.